Students, so we are going to see how to add a calendar table to our database. So calendar table is very much needed for our database because we are having data from 2020, 2021 and 2022, right? So only we have merged in this sales data, and to filter based on the week wise profit or returns, or month wise profit or returns, month wise customer information, year wise customer information, quarter wise customer information. Okay, we need to add calendar table also, okay, to monitor things effectively. Okay, so we are having customer lookup where we can get customer information, product categories, different categories we have, subcategories we have, product lookup where it will showcase all the products in our database, and returns data. Okay, the customer is not satisfied with the particular product, returning to the shop the particular product and getting another product. Okay, we need to monitor that information also. Okay, so similarly we have territory lookup. So in addition to that, let us go and update get data to add the calendar lookup. Okay, so here we have a calendar lookup. Okay, click on open and it will open the query editor. It is establishing connection to the lookup. We are having CSV files only, not a database file. Maybe in the next lessons, upcoming sessions, I will tell you how to add SQL. Okay, so for now we have Excel. As simple it is, click on transform data, right? So here click on this column. We want to add the week name and month wise data also. So click on add column. Here we have date option. So year, it will tell you the year, okay, which year it is. So we need that. Okay, see inserted year 2020, and if you click on the drop down and see 2020, 2021, 2022 is added. Okay, click on OK. Now go back to the date column, click on date column and click on date in the ribbon under add column. We'll go with the month. We need the start of the month. Inserted start of the month. Click on date, month, and we want to know the names of the month. Okay, so see, you should have valid 100%, no errors, no duplicates, because this is a very important information in the calendar table. Okay, calendar dates cannot be duplicated. Okay, date, month, days in the month. If you want, also you can add it. Date, click on date, and quarter. I want to know the quarter of the year, so let me add the start of quarter. Okay, and let me add the end of the quarter also. See, inserted end of the quarter. So I'll go back to date column, and I want to know the week, which is the start of the week. Okay, so this date is 1/1/2020, so the start of the week is 29/12/2019. Okay, that is the understanding. Click on date, and I want to know the name of the day. We'll have the names of the day, like Wednesday. Wednesday was 1st January 2020. Click on date again, and we are going to see the day of the week. That is also fine. Wednesday was the third day of the week. because it is assuming that Monday is the first day of the week. Okay, so here we have a lot of options to check with. Okay, in the update steps you can see. Okay, so all these available columns we have. Okay, day of the week is here. Okay, let me go and click on date. And date again. I want to know any other thing. I'm checking if we need to add. Okay, I'm good. I think week of the year also we'll add it for now. Okay, so this is how we have to customize the Motorcycle Studio calendar lookup. Let me rename it to calendar lookup, and you have to go back to the home button and click on close and apply to save the changes. This is how we have to add a calendar to our model. Okay, so next video we are going to learn about the model relationships. Okay, thanks for today's video. Please subscribe my channel to learn more. Thank you.